Dr. Amarwa, Director Health Service, Haneka Kanyo Terek Nailur Arja Arpo, Ulapente Bekidan Salangot Kiba Khlad no COVID-19, Kavalapan Poi Kiba Khlad no COVID-19, Jylla Shakalai Pu Ngut. Dr. War Ulai Thu Bakini Kilangot Kiba Khlad Kide Kibla Tep Kerteng Kum Kadiwanti Thapa na Barapathar Shillong, Kabla Khlad Shillong Civil Hospital, Hinin Kakandru Terek Nailur, Hakapor Prasau Po Min Min. Uweipat Uday Blatip Kerteng ko ba Lawrence Linkhoi, New po asnem kerta uban na siap, baru baklat halinti, syuaban poi sa Supercare Hospital hinin kamiet, kakandriw terek unay lur ahaja arpo, basa uway baklat pat uday bratip kerteng kumudili thapa, ndriw po asnem kerta, uban na kasyang mauba, baru niw laklat hinne ka step kakanyo terek unay lur, hanigrims, hakapor niw lala siya minute min step.
Who passed away last night. Her name is Diwanti Thapa of Barapathar, Shillong. Initially, she was admitted in Bethany Hospital on 8th September 2020, and she was tested for COVID-19, came out to be positive, and was accordingly treated at Bethany Hospital. But as the condition worsened, she was referred to Civil Hospital Shillong on 16th September 2020 and admitted in the hospital, that is Shillong Civil Hospital, at 8:40 p.m. on the same day, and she passed away at 9:25 p.m. in Civil Hospital Shillong. The diagnosis is COVID-19 pneumonia with acute respiratory distress syndrome with septic shock. She had comorbidities, and these are type 2 diabetes mellitus with hypertension, with hypertensive heart disease, with electrolytemia. Another patient, Mr. Lawrence Linkhoi, 72 years of age, male. He was taken to Supercare Hospital on 16th of September 2020, but declared as brought death at 9:45 p.m. at Supercare Hospital. He was tested with antigen initially at 9:50 p.m. and found to be positive. And again another test was done at 2:40 a.m. and here also it was found positive. However, as the attendants relatives wanted to take the disease to Civil Hospital Shillong on Negrams, the protocols for the body was done at Supercare Hospital. It was kept inside the dead body bag and transferred to Civil Hospital Shillong. In Civil Hospital Shillong today, they had completed all the formalities for dead body management, and after having done so, was allowed to be taken for funeral burial today itself, and the whole process has been completed. He hails from Shia. Today, we got the information from migrants. There was another person who had passed away. The name is Mr. Dili Thapa. Dili Thapa. Age 60 years, male from Mawbar, Shillong. He is a known case of suffering from cancer. He was taken to Negrams on 14 September 2020, and as he was under treatment there, antigen test was done as soon as he came and found it to be positive. He was treated at Negrams inside the COVID ICU, but as his condition worsened, he passed away on 17 September 2020 at 7:10 a.m. The cause of death is type 1 respiratory failure with COVID pneumonia with sepsis, and he had a contributing cause, and that is the cancer, which I will not elaborate.